The neighbor was saying you can drive that truck, so yeah, more than can drive that seven, that's less than that's 7.5, so that can cover that. No. Probably not. That's just with a gear stick, I mean. With a gear stick.
No, I don't know.
That's not a yes, you can't just get one with the car again.
I know what car you should get. You should get one of those youth trucks, American like
This one of them.
what are they called?
For the Ranger.
Yeah, one of them.
I tell you the eye locks are.
Yeah, one of them things. I
was thinking about some.
That's a perfect mix of everything.
Yes.
Transport, work,
Yes.
4x4,
Yes.
and it might be manual as well.
I was thinking, I want a 4x4, I want a car. I don't need to get no car.
You can get one of those. Wouldn't that be great? But one of those, one of them should be good though, because some of them have got back seats as well.
Yes.
So isn't that the perfect car for you?
Just easier.
As long as you don't mix.
Well, you know, mix food.
Like, if you put your tongue in my mouth, my tongue in your mouth, and it's disgusting. You didn't hear any of that, did you?
What's it called?
Such a club stick.
In our room. We're going to do people have to do. Look in our room.
On my side of the bed.
See me then, miserable. As soon as I start learning to drive that car, I make my life easy. And nobody, I don't know.
You just sneak off with some odd spare key.
No, I'll just get the car in one spot and stick off. I'll just leave it in park it.
I've got my new one. I've got my new one. I need to take this off this side and put it on that side. I don't know why they put it on the left. You've got mine. It needs to be on the right hand side.
What should it be? I mean, one will make it. Mitsubishi,
Ford make one.
Your Ford make one, Nissan make one.
If you've got a Ford car, you just jump into a Ford one.
Might be better. Well, we'll change that badge. I want one foot badge. Spell on it.
Yeah.
Spell on it.
To meet Vietnamese, yeah. So do you think that could be it?
Yes, I think that could be because I said I want a 4x4 car. Something like a Land Rover. But that would do me.
Yeah, I think that covers everything.
Yeah.
If somebody needed help to move something, you could do that.
Yeah.
It's got plenty of space for the boot. It can have a back seat if you want it to. It's going to be 4x4. It might be manual, but you can know about that. And it's a work vehicle. I think it would be perfect.
Yeah, they got something look like that, but they got, I think for them they look weird, different.
It's sort of like
So like that's what it's built different.
it's not even one of those. It's like a proper one that we're thinking about.
I see that,
oh,
but look. The car chilling. It's a steer.
yeah.
It's that car chilling. We're gonna if you want chill, we're gonna bring up on chilling like that. It's a steer. I'm gonna cost him for that, you know.
Nah, why start?
You bring it up. I think he's sitting on there chilling.
Then he's got
I don't know, he's chilling, but he's sitting in that car.
Should the oven be up so